From the main menu, select Program Sensor. Then select Sensor Selection. Select the sensor you are working with. Then select the vehicle's make, model, and year. For this example, we will be using a Chevrolet Trax 2017. Then select Copy Set of Sensors and the number of wheels. The tool will then display each tire on the vehicle. Next, scan each sensor on the vehicle, starting with the left front tire, then right front, right rear, and left rear. Once you have copied all 4 sensor IDs, select the sensor ID that you wish to copy and press OK. Then, place the new sensor above the tool's antenna and press the trigger button. Once the sensor is programmed, repeat this process with the 3 remaining tires.